Okay, so anyway, here's what we got to do, guys. We need to get everything put together, and then we're going to go and we got to get off of... Happens every time. I don't know what in the world is going on. It's like I'm not even here. People don't even pay attention. I can't get anybody's attention to do anything I need. I don't know what is going on with this camp. Tell you what, these people drive me crazy. Nobody wants to listen to what I say. Oh, that makes me mad. Next time, listen! Whoa, Logan! So, pick that stuff up for me if you would. Put it in that box and then move that box over there by that other one. And then we're pretty much done and ready to go. And then we're out of here for the... Are you kidding me? I gotta do everything all by myself. I tell you what, we can't get... If we could just get some... Oh my gosh. I'm about to explode. Man. Where... No cups and no coffee, I'll tell you what. Why are you doing that? No! No! Oh, they need to go there. Does anybody here listen? What are we doing? Why are you standing there? You're not even supposed to be in here. What are you doing? Good night, I've had...
Come on now!
Oh, shut up!